Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying which Google account currently holds your Clash of Clans village and backing it up. Use Supercell ID if possible so you avoid data loss. Once done, update Google Play and Clash of Clans and switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection to prevent sync errors. Next, sign out of the Google account inside Play Games or Play Store on your device. This clears the previous linkage and prepares the phone for adding the new account. Now add the Google account you want to link. Go to Settings, Accounts, Add Account, and complete sign in with two-step if enabled. Then open Play Store and confirm the active account is the new one. Grant any prompts so Play services can access it. After that, open Clash of Clans, go to Settings and use the in-game account or link option to associate the village. You must confirm which Google account the game should use so synchronization occurs correctly. Finish by confirming your village loads when signed into the new Google account and that Cloud Save or Supercell ID shows the correct village. That's your final verification. If something's wrong, sign back into the original Google account to re-export or reconnect the village, then repeat the link process. Make sure to keep backups. If you still see sync errors, restart the device, clear Google Play Services cache, or reinstall Clash of Clans, and then try the linking steps again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.